In terms of appearance, the overall shape of the 2026 Tiggo 7 High Energy Edition still continues the design style of the previous model. The Tiggo splashed front face shape at the front of the car has very delicate details. The overall shape is slim, and the smoked front grille is very sporty. Combined with the checkerboard-like front LED lights, the front of the car looks very energetic. The side is still decorated with hard lines, and the wheel eyebrows are also black, which increases the layering of the entire vehicle. In addition, the A, B, C pillars painted in black and the silver roof rack also increase the exterior elements of the entire vehicle. In terms of details, the hidden door handle design is still maintained, and the overall opening design has a more powerful technology and feeling than the semi-opening design. The rims are 18 inches in 2 colors, and it looks quite plump on a 4.5M car. In terms of body size, the new car is 4,545 mm long, 1898 mm wide and 1,670 mm high, and the wheelbase is 2,672 mm. The overall size is the same as the current model, which is a very standard A-class SUV size. The overall design of the rear of the car is also in line with the current model. Large-sized spoiler, transition-type taillights and angular lines are used again. The inner structure of the rear taillights reflects the headlights, while the lamp cavity adopts the digital matrix design, giving the overall appearance a good appearance. The interior still adopts a minimalist design style. The vertically arranged large-sized multimedia screen and the through air conditioning outlet design bring a good sense of technology to the interior. The solid electronic gear lever and the square air conditioning outlets on both sides add a certain hardcore element to the interior. In terms of material, the center console is also wrapped in a large area of soft material, which combines with the wood texture and chrome decorative panels to create a good texture for the interior. The flat-bottomed 3-spoke steering wheel is sporty and comfortable to hold. The most important part is that the leather material is delicate and comfortable to touch, and the texture of the multi-function buttons is also good. It is already an excellent level for a car of this level. In terms of intelligent configuration, the 2026 Tiggo 7 High Energy Edition continues to be equipped with the 8155 chip, and cooperates with the Lion 5.0 Lion Intelligent Cloud System to provide a smooth operating experience. The system is also optimized for vertical screens, the overall interface style is simple and fresh, and the operating logic is very clear. It also supports applications equipped by smart car machines, intelligent voice control and other functions, very easy to use. In terms of safety configuration, the new car is equipped with L2, assisted driving functions such as lane departure warning, active braking, fatigue driving reminder, forward collision warning, full-speed adaptive cruise control, lane departure, road traffic sign recognition, and starting reminder. In terms of space comfort, the 2026 Tiggo 7 High Energy Edition continues to have a comfortable style with wide and soft seats, and the leather is quite delicate in a 100,000 level SUV. It is worth mentioning that the front seats are equipped with seat heating function, and the main driver's seat also has a seat ventilation function, which is very comfortable. As for the storage space, the car has plenty of storage space in the regular storage compartments such as the center console, armrest box and door panels, which is more than enough for daily needs. The trunk space is even better, with a normal capacity of 490L, and can be expanded to 1388L after the rear seats are placed, forming a flat storage space. The trunk also provides a 12V power supply and hooks. Considering the body size of 4.5M, this performance can be said to be very good. It is also worth mentioning that the new car is equipped with an electric tailgate function, which greatly improves the sense of class and practicality. In terms of power, the 2026 Tiggo 7 has added a new 1.5T plus 6 DCT power combination. This combination can be said to be a veteran in the field. Both its matching maturity and quality stability have withstood the market test. The acceleration process is relatively smooth and can keep up with the speed of the car in the city. This power system is still more than enough for daily commuting.